household in Jamaica will have sorrel drink during the Christmas time. It's just a traditional stuff that we do over the season. What's going in here? I'm using dry sorrel, as I can get all of the fresh one right now, and using orange peel. I've got my ginger, my pimento, got cinnamon sticks, and I've got cloves, and that's what's going in there. My water is already at the boil, so I'm gonna add all of my spices, add my cinnamon sticks, add my cloves. I'm gonna add my ginger, and I've grated some of the ginger, and the rest of the ginger I just crushed it with the back of the knife, just to get the flavor out and all the spices up out of it. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the sorrel and the orange peel, and that will cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. Then I'm gonna turn it off and let it cool, and then I'll see you when I get ready to strain it, and I add my wine and sugar to sweeten it. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you in a few. Yes, guys. Oh, man. Oh, the smell. Oh, it smells so good. I can just smell all the spices just coming out. No, that's just coming from boiling it. So just been boiling for about 3 minutes. I'm going to add my sorrel to it now. And the sorrel already been washed. I'll add the sorrel. Now add my orange peel, and the orange peel is optional. Some people do it. I am accustomed to adding the orange peel, or you can add lime peel. Either one is fine, but again, that's optional. It all depends on taste. So after you do it a few times, you'll figure. So look at that, the colors already, beautiful colors already coming out. Look at that. Wow. That's beautiful. So guys, I'm gonna cover this back. I'm gonna let that, bring that back to a boil for about 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it off. Gonna let it sit and cool. Typically I let it sit and cool overnight. I'm doing this early in the morning. I was going to do it last night, and just kind of got caught up with some other stuff. So I'm doing this first thing in the morning. So by end of the day, tonight I'll be able to sweeten this and show you the rest of the process. So in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy some cappuccino. So I'll see you for the sweetening and the straining. And so catch you guys later. Yes, guys. This is it. Sorrel has been sitting for more than 12 hours. Now I'm gonna strain this out and sweeten it. So let's get some of this out first. Take some of the sorrel out. Oh man, I can just smell all the spices are coming out. Oh, smells great. I'm gonna rinse this out and let's try this again. Yeah, we're gonna run it through one more time. Okay. I'm gonna get this nice rich color. Yes, I'm using brown sugar to sweeten it, but you can use white sugar if you like. Sweeten it to taste. Don't overdo it, because you can always add more sugar to it. Because you don't want to make it too sweet, but you just want to make it sweet enough to taste. And also, I'm adding wine and Red Navy white rum. Typically, I do red label wine, but I don't have any red label, so this is what I'm using, some blackberry. And of course, I'm using the good Red Navy overproof. And if you're having kids around for the holiday and stuff, you may not want to put the wine in that. You can probably make 2 batches, or just add your white rum or your wine to it. But it's nice to have a little bit of white rum in there because it's great with preservatives. Here I'm going to add I'm gonna just let it go for cap full in there. You don't really need all that. I'm gonna add a lot of white rum. You can always add more to it. And again, if you're serving kids, you may not want to add any alcohol to it. Yes, about. So I'm starting with about one cup of sugar. Give it a quick taste here. Oh man, this is delicious. Oh wow. And this will last for a while, guys. you make enough, you can keep it. Last year, I had a bottle that lasts all through the summer. You know, so it will last upwards of 6 months. You know, I'll just add a little bit more wine, a little bit of white rum, you know, every month or two. Not a whole lot, just enough, you know, to preserve it. And I just put it in a glass bottle and put it in the refrigerator. And I had just a little bit more sugar. About a quarter cup.